Hey, what's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you how to get Microsoft Office 365 for completely free. So this is going to give you all of the programs unlocked, guys, so you'll be able to get like Word, Excel, Forms, like pretty much all the Microsoft programs for free, guys, without having to spend money for them, guys. So the way this method works is really insane, and I'm going to show you guys right now how to set this up. I'm going to be doing it on my phone, but you guys could do this on your computer. Anyways, let's turn on the screen recording of my phone right now and show you guys how to do this. So 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, so as you can see, the screen recording is live right now of my iPhone, and I have Safari open here. And as you can see, I'm on Microsoft website, and this is, guys, is going to make a bunch of sense to you guys in a second once I showcase the method or the glitch. So the glitch is all done with this glitched version of NordVPN that I'm going to show you guys later in the video how to actually get. So let's go ahead and just demonstrate it. But this is a glitched version. I'll show you guys how to get it, but I'm going to go ahead and click Quick Connect. And now I'm connecting to a glitched server. And as you guys can see, it says we are connected, so we're good to go there. And now, guys, we're going to open up Safari, and it's going to say this: Microsoft Developer Detected. You can now get all Microsoft programs for free and claim $500 Microsoft gift card for free as well. We're going to click OK. And it's going to say, what is your Microsoft account email? To unlock Microsoft 365 for free, along with all Microsoft programs, and claim your $500 Microsoft gift card, we need your Microsoft email. If you don't remember it, just continue and it will be found through the network that you're on. So guys, as you guys can see, it is insane, and it's pretty crazy, because what the VPN does is that it makes it think that we are a developer. So that's how the glitch actually works. It just makes you think that you are a developer. And yeah, guys, so let's go ahead and click OK, because I don't actually remember my email. So I'm gonna click OK, and it says multiple emails found on network. So when it says that, what it does is it just activates it for all of the accounts. And by network, it means like Wi-Fi. So my phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi as my computer that has my Microsoft account email. But yeah, guys, it's going to say all accounts have been given Microsoft Office 365 and all Microsoft programs unlocked for free. So I'm going to click OK. Generating Microsoft $500 code. Microsoft code generated. Your Microsoft $500 code is right there. Redeem this on Microsoft website. Enjoy. So guys, in addition to getting the Microsoft Office 365 unlocked, now when you go into your account, you'll see all the programs unlocked, and your subscription for this 365 will be there forever. They also give you a $500 code that you guys could go ahead and use and redeem, guys, for whatever you want. You can use this for Xbox, or you could use this for like other stuff. But yeah, guys, as you saw, the method is insane. Now this also works for Cash App as well, guys. I just wanted to show you, in addition to that, if you go over to Cash App app, as you guys can see, it says developer detected, and we just got $200 for free, guys, on Cash App. So this method is insane. You wind up getting a bunch of stuff for free. Now, how do we actually get this glitched version of the VPN, guys? It's really easy. You're going to open up your browser on your phone or on your computer, and you're going to type this in, guys, vpnmod.co. So once again, guys, that's vpnmod.co. Okay, just type this in, guys, vpnmod.co. Click OK or go, and it's going to take us to a page right here. Let's see. So it's going to take us to this page right here, guys. Exclusive deal, blah blah blah. You're going to click the Get NordVPN button, and now we actually have to go ahead and buy the VPN, guys. Now you might be thinking, buy? We have to spend money? Well, don't worry, guys. Like I showed you, the Cash App, you get free money back right there. And yeah, so it's completely free at the end of the day, because you only spend money right now, but then when you open up Cash App, you get your money back with the reward. And also PayPal has the developer rewards as well with the glitched VPN. So yeah, but I'm gonna go ahead and select one of the VPNs right now, and as you can see, it's gonna pull up this thing right here, standard plan. We have all this stuff right here, and we can just go ahead and sign up. So you enter your email address, or you go ahead and you select a payment method. So we have PayPal, credit card, crypto. So you just select one of the payment methods, go ahead and check out, get the VPN, guys, activated on your phone or computer, connect to any server, and then go to Microsoft.com, and it's going to go ahead and give you the access to the Office 365 for free when you are connected to the VPN. So that's it for the video tutorial, guys. If you have any questions, let me know down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, everybody.